LevaPack Bird's Nest Porridge Small Golden Bowl Can Filling and Packaging Production Line. Bowl Can Feeding Machine automatically conveys empty bowl cans. Single head filling machine accurately and quantitatively fills materials. Filling volume can be adjusted as needed. Fully automatic intelligent concealing machine, waterproof design and easy to clean. It can seal 30 to 60 cans per minute, automatically feeding lids and sealing cans. Laser coating marks the production date on the side of the product. Perfectly packaged finished product output. For more information, please contact us. LevaPack.